In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from any of your videos. Most of the times, when you start editing a video, you realize that there is a lot of background noise and you end up discarding that video, or sometimes you have to post the video like that, but it is not pleasing to watch a video that has a lot of background noise. So, by the end of this video, you'll be able to remove background noise from any of your videos. And if you're out there watching me for your first time and you're like, who the heavens is she? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, do consider to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell and watch this video till the very end to get the most value out of it. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for your loyalty. I do appreciate the time and effort you put in to grow this small, amazing community. I do not take that for granted. Thank you all so much. For you to be able to remove background noise from any of your videos, we will be using CapCut to do that, and this is very effective and very easy to do. Now, for us to know that this process is 100% effective, let's record a video with a lot of background noise, and then we will use that video to remove the background noise so we all can be convinced that this process is 100% effective. Oh la la! That is a lot of background noise. So this is the video we're going to be using to remove the background noise, and as you all can hear, the background noise is a lot and that noise is coming from my fan. So we're going to use this video so we all can see and hear that this process is 100% effective. Let's get right into it. Click on CapCut, click on New Project, select the video you want to reduce the background noise, click on it and then you go to the bottom and you click on Add. Right here, go to the bottom of your screen and look for where it says Reduce Noise. Click on Reduce Noise. Turn on Reduce Noise and you click on OK. When you are done with this, go to the top right hand side and export this video to your phone. Now, when you are done exporting this video, listen to your video if the background noise is complete. If it is not, then you should go through this process again. You can actually do this process 3 times, 4 times, depending on the noise on your background video. Now, the only way to keep reducing this background noise is by taking this process all over again, just like what we are doing right now. And then you can only post your video when your background noise is complete. There is no need for you going through 3 different apps to reduce the background noise. This process will do it perfectly. Just make sure you go through this process again and again. Now let's listen to our video to see if the noise has been reduced to our taste. Oh la la! That is a lot of background noise. So this is the video we're going to be using to remove the background noise. And as you all can hear, the background noise is a lot and that noise is coming from my fan. So we're going to use this video so we all can see and hear that this process is 100% effective. Let's get right into it. Amazing, right? It is very simple, fast, and you only need to use one app to reduce the noise from your background. You do not need to go through the process of using two apps or three apps like you see on other videos. CapCut will do the magic for you. If you love the research so far and you want to be seeing content like this, let me know on the comment section, and also do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be one of the first people to be notified anytime we drop an amazing video on this channel. Love you all, and if you have a worry or a question, go down to the comment section and put it right there. Do not go to my other social media platforms to ask any question that pertains to the videos on YouTube, because it will take me long to reply to you. Just go down to the video you have a question about and go to the comment section and comment right there, and I will be there in less than 15 minutes to reply to your worry or to your question. Love you all and see you next time. Bye bye.